Hello guys, welcome you all to the PC Tips Pro. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create travel and tourism website with WordPress. So guys, without learning any programming languages like HTML and Java, you can go with this WordPress platform and create your own attractive websites. So guys, if you will create this website, then it will be easy for you to manage travel consultant, tour guide, hotel manager, event planner, content manager, PR manager, corporate travel guide, and etc. So before we move further, don't forget to subscribe to the channel PC Tips Pro. Before we move further to this topic, let me tell you that they require two basic requirements. The first requirement is the domain. That means you need to buy a domain. And the second is you need to buy a hosting. So let's proceed further to this. First of all, you can open your browser and on the browser, search for domainracer.com, or you can directly go to the website which is domainracer.com. So guys, here I'm not going to buy the hosting because I already having it with Domain Racer and I really love their services. Also, they have very great services. They have instant support. As you can see, the support chat is here. It means you can directly talk to them. And also you can directly contact to the salesperson if you are having any of the technical issues. So I am only going to buy the domain here. So here when you open the Domain Racer website, here you can see the domain option. So click into this domain and then search for the domain. Also make sure while searching for the domain, try to search for the name which is relevant to your website. It means the keyword of your website should be in domain. So talking about travel and tourism website, I'll search for my travel and then click into search option. And now guys, you can see here different suggestions coming up. So the first one is mytravelcompany.xyz. The second is myluxurytravelcompany.com and the third is myluxurytravel.xyz. So guys, if you are a developer and digital marketer, then I'll suggest you to go with .com domain because the .com domain will show your presence globally and it also helps to rank your website on top. And now once you select the .com domain, you just need to click to this add to cart. And now you can go to the web hosting. But as I earlier said that I already having hosting with Domain Racer. So guys, I am skipping this hosting part. Now we will move to the second part to set up your hosting. So again, you need to go to the Domain Racer website and here on the top you can see this login option. So click into this login option and here now you have your credentials to log in. This is the same credentials which you have created at the time of signing up the account with the Domain Racer. So use the same credentials to log into the account, and once you log into your account, you will see the services and products you have got from them. So you can see your active products and services here. Also, once you click on the shared hosting and domain, you will get the Cpanel login credentials and the link also. So guys, here I am directly going to the Cpanel login and then enter the ID and password and click into this login option. And now you can see the Cpanel account here. Once you log into the Cpanel account, scroll down it completely down to the bottom. And now here you can see in the software menu, WordPress Manager by Domain Racer. So click into this option. And here you can able to see this option WordPress Management. Also you have three options: install, scan and manage sets. So click into this install option. And now here we are going to install the WordPress in our Cpanel hosting. On the top you can see it's asking to choose the version. So always try to choose the latest version because it will be good for your interface of the WordPress dashboard. And now it's coming for the site name. So it was my tourism. And now it's asking for site description. So for example, I'm taking here is, hey, this is my tourism site. Now we are done with this, and now you can see here's ID and password coming, so you can change it according to your need. I'm keeping here it same, admin and admin. And now I'll select the language which is English. This is the last part. We are going to do is select theme. So first of all, click into show all theme and then search for the theme. So it was about travel and tourism website, so I'll search for travel. There is no match found for travel, so I'll click into this all option. So guys, I think it could be better for the travel and tourism website. So guys, if you want to see the demo of this theme, you can click into this demo option. So finally, I'm going to select this theme only and then click into this install option. As you can see, it's installing now. So it might take some time. It depends upon your internet speed, how fast your internet is working. So let it be, because this is the mandatory part, we cannot skip this part. So we will wait some few minutes more. Now after completing the second part, you can move to the last part, how you can customize your theme and how you can give the right and attractive look to your website. Now guys, here you are done with the installation part. As you can see here, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Also, you have given two different links here. On clicking into first link, you can able to see how your website will look like. You can see from here. After coming back, you can see the second option, which is administrative URL, from where you can go ahead to the customized website. That means it will be your WordPress dashboard. So click into this option and it will redirect you to the WordPress dashboard. So talking about the role of this dashboard, let me tell you, this dashboard will let you to make changes to your website. As you can see, either you can customize your website from here or you can change the theme completely. You can also enhance your content with blocks and patterns. You can also do the changes from left side, like for example, if you want to add any post, then click into this post option. If you want to add any media file, then you can just click into this media option. And if you want to manage your comments, then you can do it from here. If you want to add any plugin, then you can click into this plugin option and then add a new. Also, if you want to assign any other user to your website, then just click into users option and then add new user. So guys, coming back to the website, on the top you can see this My Tourism, and if you remember, it was the name of the website I have given at the time of the installation. Also in the heading you can see, hey, this is my tourism site, and if you remember, it was the description I have given at the time of the installation. So these all are the demo photos. You can see you can also make changes to these photos. You just need to go back to the dashboard and here it's option coming, start customizing. So click into this option and now it will let you to make changes to your website. Let's suppose if you want to make changes to the header, footer, template and pages, then click into this option. And then if you want to make change in the footer part, then click into footer as it's preparing interface. And now you can make any changes to your footer part from here only. Now coming back to this, if you want to make any changes to your template, then click into this option. As you can see, it's preparing interface for the same. And now from here you can change any of the template according to your need. Now coming back, if you want to make any changes to your blog, then click into this blog option as it's preparing interface. And now by scrolling down, you can change any of the things from here. So guys, I hope it will help you to start your own travel and tourism website with WordPress. That's it for today. Keep watching Easy Tips Pro.